What is electric potential difference? We studied current. Now current is caused due to some potential difference. Okay. So now how does water flow from your tank? ऊपर से टंकी से जो पानी नल पे आता है, how does it flow? Due to the pressure difference. At high tank, it's at high pressure, and the tap is at low pressure. So the high pressure water comes to the low pressure tap, right? If you see here, water is flowing, gushing out of the tank from a high to low. Or if you can see a waterfall from a high altitude, it goes to a low altitude due to the pressure difference. Now, in a wire, in a copper wire also, due to the same pressure difference caused, that is why the current flows. No, there is no pressure difference here, but there is electrical pressure. And the electrical pressure is caused due to the potential difference. Potential difference because for the positive terminal of the battery and the negative terminal. One is the high potential and other is the low potential. That is why due to this potential difference across the battery, the current flow is made possible. Due to potential difference between the positive and negative terminal, current flow is possible and the charging of the other battery takes place. Instead of this other battery, you can imagine a copper wire there. If a copper wire is put there, then the flow of current will take place from the positive to negative terminal. Now you have to use a resistance so that the battery doesn't get short circuited. Okay. So potential difference is measured between 2 points. It is measured between 2 points. And how is it measured? It is actually the work done. The battery does some work to carry, it does some work to move some charges, some unit of charges from one point to the other. एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट को चार्जेस लेके जाने के लिए बैटरी काम करती है. So that work done between the two ends of the battery to take the charge from one point to the other is called as a potential difference, right? The cell expends its chemical energy to give current into the circuit. And how is it measured? It is measured by work done by charge. And if you want to